everybody. I know I haven't seen you in a while, but I'm the Knowledge Ninja. And the reason you haven't seen me in a while is I've actually been touring the world, talking to everyone about grammar. You would not imagine the problem Croatians have with subject-verb agreement. But now I am back with all my grammar skills and over 6 million forms of communication. But you know what? We're not going to talk about grammar today. We're going to talk about math. I know a lot of times the things you learn in school, you think, hey, I'm never going to have any real-world application for this. What we're going to talk about today is something that I actually use all the time in my grown-up life, and that is percentages. Now, something for you to keep in mind is that I have 2 kids, I have a mortgage. Kids are expensive. They're always wanting food, utilities, they want me to take them to see the new My Little Pony movie, so I need money. Because kids are expensive, I definitely like coupons. So those are things that I use all the time. And when I get something like 30% off your order, something like that, I am really, really excited. So let me give you an example of how you can figure out percentages just kind of very, very quickly. Because as I'm going through a store, I guess theoretically you can pull out your phone, but sometimes I like to do that without my phone. So let's say I'm in a store and I see a tie, because you know I love ties, and it is $30. Boy, that is way too much to spend a tie. I'm not going to spend that much. Usually about $10 is my limit. Let's say I have a nice coupon that is for 30% off. I'm going to write 30%. There you go. Now again, like I said, you can pull out your calculator and you can tally all this up, but if you want to do this quickly in your head, the best thing to do is first to figure out what 10% is. So what is 10% of 30? I'm going to have to see if I can remember this. So basically $30 could be written like this, right? Does that make sense? So to figure out 10% of 30, you move the decimal point over 1, and what do you have? You have $3. So since 30% is 3 times 10%, you do 3 times $3, and that's $9. So when you take my coupon off, that $30 is $21. Not really that complicated. It's something you can figure out in your head very, very quickly. So let's try this a little bit different. Let's say a tie is $15. Give me a second, I'll clear this out. Alright, so we have a tie that's $15. Like I said, that's a little bit more my speed for how much to spend on the tie. And again, I've got a 30% off coupon. This one gets a little bit more complicated, but we have $1.50, or we have, well, ignore what I just said. We have $15. Move it over, it's $1.50. What's 4 times a dollar? What's 3 times $1.50? It's $4.50. 15 minus $4.50 is $10.50. Right about the perfect amount to spend on a tie. So again, this is math in the real world. You're trying to save a buck, whatever, coupons are good. I really feel like I am losing my little headpiece, but hopefully this is beneficial to you, and I'll see you next month.